Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when there's no Wi-Fi options right there on the menu bar and you cannot connect to the internet. So first of all, you want to go ahead, open up your settings, and on settings, you want to press on network and internet. Then you want to scroll until you will see advanced network settings. And here you will see Wi-Fi. You want to press enable. As you can see, it is now disabled. Just check if you haven't disabled it. And after that, press right there. And as you can see, here it is. The internet has now connected. And you will see this option. Now, if that didn't work, you want to open up your device manager. Right there. Once you have opened up your device manager, you want to press on view and show hidden devices. Then you want to find network adapters. Press on this arrow button. And you will see here virtual adapters, Wi-Fi direct virtual adapters. What you want to do is go ahead and disable the device and enable it again. So what you want to do is just restart the wireless adapters. Now this should fix your problem, and if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.